Good morning, my friends. Welcome back in video session classes. Today, I discuss computer keyboard. Today, I discuss computer keyboard. This computer keyboard is related to class 3rd, and this computer keyboard is related to chapter number 3. This is the revision classes because I already discussed computer keyboard, but so many students not write down two notes in this particular topic. So every student please must watch the video and write down. My dear student, first of all, I discuss what is keyboard. What is keyboard? This is the keyboard. So I write down a computer keyboard. I write down a computer keyboard. A computer keyboard is an input device. A computer keyboard is an input device. Why computer keyboard is an input device? Because I put the data and the pressing the any such type of key, the automatically put the data into the computer. So this is the a computer keyboard is an input device used to enter characters. Enter characters and functions into the computer system. Function into the computer system by pressing buttons or key. This is the keyboard. This is I show to the computer keyboard. This is a wireless key. A computer keyboard is an input device. This total device is an input device. Why it is input device? Because it used to character and function. The all such type of the character and the all related to the F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8. The all type of the function key into the computer system, and you press to the any such type of key, the computer automatically put the key, and thus we can say that I press to the any such type of key, the computer monitor it automatically catch out in the particular key. Those key the press. This is the keyboard. This is the second point, because my topic today is the computer keyboard. So I totally discussed the computer keyboard. Second point. It is the primary. It is a. It is a primary device. It is a primary device used to enter text. Why it is a primary device? This is a primary device. The second number point, primary devices. Because the computer keyboard is not available in any such type of the computer, laptop and notepad. I am not any such type of enter to the data. So thus be considered it is a primary. Primary means essential. This is the essential devices. My third point. A keyboard typically a keyboard typically contains key for individual letters numbers and a special character characters as well as for a specific functions. A computer keyboard is typically contains key for individual letters. This is the all type of the individual letter and this is the numbers. And for the specific function, this F1, F2, F3, F4, these all types to the specific function. My dear student, this is the keyboard. My second topic. Keyboard are divided into 5 parts. 5 parts of keyboard. First part. The first part name alphanumeric keyboard. Second, the numeric keyboard. The numeric keyboard. Third, the arrow key. The arrow key. Fourth, the control key. The control key. And my fifth, the function key. Function key. This is the 5 part of the keyboard. This total side 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. The all such type of the numeric keyboard. Arrow key. This is the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The all 4 parts is the arrow key. Control key. This is the control key. Control, Shift, Alt, Tab. These all parts of the this is window. These all parts of the control key. and the function key F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, the all parts of the function key, and the alphanumeric key, the Q, W, E, R, T, W. This is the all parts. This is the all parts is related to the Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, V, or A, S, T. The all part of the alphanumeric key. These are 5 parts of the keyboard. My dear student, one question is always time in your mind: how many key are in keyboards? How many keys? There, you always can remember 101 to 104 keys are generally available in the keyboard. The simple question: how many key are in keyboard? So 101 to 104 key are available in the keyboard. This is my last topic. What is the usage of the keyboard? What is the usage of keyboard? So many questions are in your mind in the keyboard, but all our point I discussed parts of keyboard. What is the keyboard and what is the usage of the keyboard? First usage: keyboard is used for inking test. It is used for entering text. First, the all such type of put the data enter. The first, it is used for the entering text. Keyboard is the second number usage. Keyboard is used to operate some devices. It is used to operate some devices. This type of devices, the higher level of the highest standard keyboard is the all our function provided in related to the keyboard, such as the music control, any such type of area control, text control. The all our functions. This is a simple keyboard. This is the not to the higher. This is the standard keyboard. My third point: keyboard is used for typing message for communication. It is used for typing message for communication. This is the all parts of the keyboard. I hope. And my last topic: what is the function of keyboard? This is the print. This is the print function, a scroll function, pause function. These all type of this is the pause function. The all type of the function key. This is the. I hope every student understand. Not understand, please call my personal number. Thank you so much.